Morning, Janice.
Morning, Anthony.
Today, let's talk about professional executor or trustee for California solo agers. So, to my surprise, we've been getting a lot of calls from solo agers in California who are asking me to serve as their executor and trustee. So, first, let me explain why I find that surprising, okay? So, California is supposedly a leader in the professional executor and trustee sort of arena. So I thought they had a very robust and well-developed sort of community of professional executors. My basis for thinking this is that there's a state licensing agency, the Professional Fiduciaries Bureau, where you have to, sign up or apply to receive a license in order to be an in-state professional fiduciary. And again, there are trade groups. Even there's a Professional Fiduciary Association of California. So there's a whole infrastructure out there for professional executors that you don't see in many states, which led me to believe that,
You'd think they're plentiful.
Exactly.
Right.
But apparently that's not the case, or at least not for solo agers. Yeah.
Okay.
So despite that background, solo agers can't seem to find professional executors that they're comfortable with in California. We're getting, I wouldn't call it an avalanche of calls, but more than we were.
Definitely more than usual. Yeah.
So one of the main complaints is that, yes, they might be able to find a professional executor in California, which is great because in New York and other areas, they can't even find an attorney or a non-bank who's willing to do it. So at least they're finding people.
Right.
But the problem is that they don't find that these folks are focused on solo ager issues. And they feel like they're getting pushed into sort of a cookie cutter, just leave everything to your kids. I don't have kids. Do you not understand that, kind of situation?
Right.
I want to leave things to my, perhaps they have children and they're just they're not on best terms or they're estranged, and they just keep getting nudged in that direction. And it's just like, dude, this is not what I want. I consider myself a solo ager. I want to do my plan this way. And they're just not getting that sort of, they're not sympathetic to that estate planning wish, I guess you would say.
Right. Even if you have kids, you could still fall under the distinction of solo agers. We talked about that before. They may be estranged or live elsewhere.
Absolutely. For whatever variety of reasons. So, just for that reason alone, we're recording this to make sure that folks out there know, yes, I am available to be a professional executor trustee outside of New York, even though we are based here in New York.
Yep.
And that does include California. Just remember some of the drawbacks. The pros are if you watch these episodes or read these posts and you like us, great. You've decided that you want somebody like us for whatever reason. I don't know why you would want us. But just keep in mind
I think we're all right, but
just keep in mind there are drawbacks when you choose an out-of-state executor. We've discussed these in the past, but there might be travel costs. There might be slightly less familiarity with local customs. But I guess the trade-offs are you're getting somebody you're comfortable with, you're getting professional, and you're getting somebody who's very, very well-versed in how to administer an estate generally, even if not specific to, Laguna Beach or San Jose, specific local customs. Yeah.
Right. But it may be worth what you're saying, a little bit of those drawbacks to actually get what you're really looking for and what you really want for your specific situation, right? Whether you are not really a solo ager, but you fit into that category. Pretty sure you're going to listen to that and do what they ask you to.
Oh yeah, that is an area. Those are clients who we're looking to help, basically.
Yeah, absolutely. So, like you said, you can definitely help those in California. I'm pretty sure you have a few, and it would definitely be your honor to do that.
For sure.
If you want to learn more on how probate works generally for solo agers specifically, check out Anthony's book for free. You can get a link, I think, down at the bottom of the page, Solo Ager Estate Plan.
Perfect. Thank you, Janice. As always, thanks everyone for listening and calling in with your feedback. It's been very helpful.
Yes,
and
thank you.
We're happy to try to answer any questions that come in. Talk soon next time. Bye now.
Bye.